Hello, and welcome, David Bradley in the box room here. Alright, so I just grabbed another thing from the things that I got at the World of Commodore. And this one, immediately, I was looking and said, oh, well, the chip's gone. That's not surprising. Most everything else is socketed, except the video chip and the 8701 chip. I will show it to you. But there are other things that will make this very difficult to test, and I don't know how well you can see that, but I will strive to get it up there. But if you look carefully over towards this side, you'll see that there's no fuse, and if you look more towards the joystick ports and the power connector, there's no power switch. So this board looks like it has been scavenged a bit. Well, parts are good, and it seems that this has been used for parts. There does seem to be a chip that is out of here. This is not the same. It looks very similar to the board. This one here that is my test one. But if you remember from what you just saw moments ago, there's a lot more RAM chips in this one and a lot fewer RAM chips in the other board. This down below me is a 250466, and this is a 250425. So they are very much the same, but different. As in, there are many less RAM chips. I think it's down to 2, but there's another chip here, a place, I'll hold this up again, near the RAM chips over on this side of the board. Oh dear, excuse me. Where there's a nothing, and that nothing, I think, is normally nothing. Right there. There's the 2 RAM chips, and then there's an empty socket. Not an empty socket, but an empty thing, and I think that's normal. So what this could possibly be is, well, it could be something to fix. I'd have to look carefully at another identical board, see whatever else has been removed, and then decide, is it worth trying to rescue it, or is it indeed something that would be stuff to take off of, much as people have already done. I don't think there's a whole lot missing. But I don't know. Anyway, and sadly, most everything is soldered. So I guess the thing to do, because I really can't power it up, is take the chip puller and put it underneath the VIC chip. And the VIC chip, boy, it's putting up a little bit of a fight here. Okay, we'll go for the other end. Hello. Okay, that's coming. Gotta make sure, also be very careful that you don't get, whether it's a screwdriver or a chip puller, underneath the socket and you start prying away on the socket. That will not do anything good. Alright, well there. Yeah, I'm gonna get the screwdriver. Maybe even, yeah. I'm gonna yank the 8701 because I can. At least I think I can. Da, 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 da. There. So there are the 2 chips that can be removed. It's funny. Oh yeah. Does this? I guess the board or the cover Oh, it's weird. Yeah, I guess they've been resoldered on here. But they're all... Oh, no, that's not... I was thinking they all look like they are okay. But anyway, at some point, unless the switch was, like, cut off, and the holes look clean. Actually, it may be damaged. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put this down. And I will bring down the C64. And I will plug in the monitor and find the power cord and apply power. And this will, of course, come on. Ta-da! Ta-da! Alright. And now I will pull from the socket the video chip. And I'll set it. I always set things on different, not always on the same different sides, but on different sides, so I do not mix things up. And the video chip is in. I'll turn this on. It'll probably come up. Shaboom. It does. Okay. And do I really need to test the 8701 chip? Well, no, but I will. Because you never know, I've had them in the past. I have found bad 8701 chips. Boy, they are not easy to get out. They just aren't. There we go. Come on, little chip. Come on. Okay, I'll put that over by the Vic chip. I'll take the one from the original machine that we're checking. Checking the witness mark. Putting it in. Turning it on. It'll be fine. Shaboom. It's fine. Alright. So now I've got to get all this stuff back out. Which, considering it's just two chips, is not onerous. Alright, I'm going to use the real chip puller. Al Payne gave me that. And I'll pull out the power. Pull out the video. We'll put this. Oh, no, we won't. What am I doing? This is how things get lost. Check the pins. They all look fine. Take the Vic chip. Put it in. Take the 8701 chip. And put it in. Put this up here. Grab this other board. And check the Vic chip. Put it in. Take the 8701. All is checking the witness mark. That's in. Okay, so. La la la. So here we have a 64 board. 250466. No power. Switch. No fuse. Funny, that missing chip, I don't think is really a missing chip. Yes, Andrew. Where? Sure. It'll be fine. But Andrew? Hello? Hello? I'll go for it. Okay. What am I saying? No fuse. Check for other missing components. Vic plus 8701 tested. Okay. Nothing else in pockets. December 2023, World of Commodore Hotel cart. Fix or hurts. All right. Well, that was not terrible. So, this is a post-it note, but it's good to have some extra tape unless things go come loose. So I'll put that with other things to test and have a look at later. So that's another machine from the world of Commodore. We'll see what we see. And for the moment, I'll go back downstairs, see what else I brought in. See you again soon. Bye for now.